Hello, Cancer, and welcome to your May 1st, 2021 tarot card reading. Messages for Cancer. That one wants to come out, 9 of Cups. Messages for Cancer for May 1st. Oh, wow, we had a whole bunch flip over there. I'm going to take them all. 3 flip over, so we'll take them. The High Priestess, the 8 of Coins, and the 8 of Wands. Okay. So, first thing I notice is you have 3 red cards. So that's the first, the root chakra red, which is located at the base of the spine, deals with physical needs, passion, anger, and deals with survival and is blocked by fear. And this one, yellow, is the 3rd solar plexus chakra, and deals with vitality, power, self-confidence, and deals with willpower and is blocked by shame. So let's look at your first card, which is the 9 of Cups. So the first thing I notice about this 9 of Cups is her hair. Her hair is so long and fabulous and full. Maybe you've just recently got your hair done, Cancer, and people are noticing how wonderful your hair looks. So this 9 of Cups is... She has this one cup that she's holding dearly. So she may have a relationship in her life that's kind of more important than the other relationships. It's not that they're less important. It's just that this is the one that she's mainly focused on. And she's in a forest. So there's trees and foliage in the background. So you should be connecting with nature and maybe going for a walk outside with the trees, hanging out with the trees. Okay, and your next card is the High Priestess. Beautiful card. Okay, so this card speaks to intuition and inner knowing, and so in this deck she's got like 4 pillars and she's sitting on this throne. And it's like this student or pupil is coming to her and offering her a book. So books may feature prominently in your day, or you may be reading a book, or someone may give you a book or offer you a book. Also, the High Priestess means to trust your intuition. So if you have any decisions that you're going to be making, check in with your intuition there before making them. So your next card is the 8 of Coins, or the 8 of Pentacles. And so she's holding one pentacle that she's sort of fixated on. But she has all these other ones as well. But this is the one she's sort of like molding at this particular moment, or bringing into existence. flower in her hair there, and it looks like it's like she's up in the sky, or the cosmos are like part of her dress. So she's like a cosmic 8 of coins, so you may be getting money coming down from spirit, from the heavens. Okay, so then your next card is 8 of Wands. Ooh. Beautiful card. So this is fire energy, or a swift communication from someone. Or perhaps you have 8 projects on the go right now. Passion projects. All right. Messages for Cancer for May. Third eye chakra. Messages for Cancer. Belief. I'll read them all to you in a minute. Messages for Cancer. Cosmic flower. Ooh. All right, so we have third eye chakra. The frequency of the third eye chakra, the indigo flower of life, supports our intuition and our inner knowing, our imagination, and our psychic powers. Ooh. And it's number 6. So then we have number 11, belief. Look up that number online for numerology too, the meaning of it. It's a master number. The frequency of belief supports our sense of self-worth based on our gifts and talents and a strong connection to source. And look how that graphic looks like it's a compass. Okay, and then we have 18, cosmic flower. The frequency of cosmic flower activates our remembrance of the place we call home. The core from which we pour our magnificence out into the world. Oh, beautiful message for you. Okay, if you enjoyed this reading, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and have a great day.